Early on, you talked about, I think, a spaceport, I think was the term that you used. Can you
Correct.
maybe just offer us a little bit of a glimpse into your future plans and goals that you have for Infinity Robotics?
So if you come to our office in Savage, Minnesota, you're going to notice one thing when you walk in, a big letters on the wall, change the way we live on and off this planet. And our ultimate goal is to enable the human experience through automation to achieve a better life. For those people doing super dangerous jobs, let me put a robot in there. Ideally, we want to create a bit of a life raft where we can colonize outer space, manufacture, and mine in outer space. I think that's the next step for the evolution of mankind and our society. So ideally, what I'm trying to do is combine various artificial intelligence products into more cohesive solutions. So interestingly enough, Minnesota is one of the major hubs for robot AI in the world. Most of the new AI robot products that hit the market come to my lab in Savage, and we kind of vet that out. We introduce them to our competitors, all our distributors, and more importantly, our manufacturers like Fanuc and Kawasaki Robotics. So we'll help them adapt some of the AI tools that they weren't aware. So Savage, Minnesota itself sees the robot AI about 6 to 18 months before the market's aware it even exists.